Welcome back to our channel. This video is all about how BYD is set to bring a crazy change in the world of electric vehicles. So let's get right into it. The automobile industry is ever expanding, and with electric vehicles in the game, one name that has been the talk of the town is Elon Musk's Tesla. But did you know Tesla has a big rival known as BYD, who's already gliding ahead of Tesla? If not, then you're at the right place. What is BYD? Located in Xi'an, Shanxi Province, China, BYD Auto Company Limited is the automotive division of the publicly traded Chinese multinational manufacturer BYD Company. BYD stands for Build Your Dreams and stands true to its motto as the company is about to fulfill people's dream of economical, dependable, and inexpensive electric automobiles. The dream battery material for the electric car market is cheaper, rapid charging, and no supply shortage, and leaders in the sector in China are set to realize this dream as Tesla grows this business by investing millions in a refinery plant. China stakes its future on low-cost sodium-ion batteries. Because of this, even though many experts believed sodium-ion batteries would only be suitable for stationary batteries, the two biggest battery manufacturers in the world, CATL and BYD, have started producing them in huge quantities. BYD, the biggest producer of electric vehicles in China, shocked the market by releasing the first sodium-ion battery. BYD has developed the most affordable electric vehicle under $10,000 by incorporating a sodium-ion battery into a compact city runabout. However, BYD aims to use this revolutionary battery technology throughout its whole EV lineup because it has several advantages over lithium batteries. What is it about this brand new electric car with a sodium-ion battery that makes you think it might be the future of electric transportation? Can the vehicle genuinely compete with those made of lithium? In order to fully appreciate the company's creative character, let's quickly review the benefits of sodium. You can see it when you look at the periodic table that sodium is located next to lithium and that the two elements have very similar physical and chemical properties, but sodium is far more common and is present in salt in the form of sodium chloride, making it easier to get extracted. Environmental impacts. Hard rock mining releases 15 tons of carbon dioxide for every ton of lithium extracted. On the other hand, sodium-ion batteries are simple to recycle and do not require rare earth elements, which are also linked to environmental issues. Along with lithium, these materials are not a resource that is reliable for sustainable growth in the industry. Lithium mining inevitably results in the contamination of the surrounding area with harmful chemicals, including our most precious resource, the drinking water. Because sodium hydroxide costs less than $800 per metric ton, whereas lithium hydroxide's price increased from $6,000 in 2019 to $78,000 per metric ton, pricing is by far sodium's biggest advantage. But in terms of energy density and performance, it cannot compete with the lithium NMC cells used for long life. However, thermal runaway is a significant issue with these cells. Recently, electric vehicles have undoubtedly caught fire or exploded without warning. Due to the fact that sodium-ion batteries beat LFP in two crucial areas, this changes everything for the industry. While LFP batteries significantly lose capacity in cold conditions, sodium-ion batteries can charge considerably more quickly and are more resistant to low temperatures. Even at minus 20 degrees Celsius, sodium batteries retain 90% of their capacity. Surprisingly, a little unheard-of Chinese business by the name of Seagull was the first to test sodium-ion batteries in a city runabout, and the results were pretty good. They gave the Seahawk E10X a 120 watt-hour sodium-ion battery to use in testing. The compact 25,000 watt-hour sodium-ion battery weighs only 1 pound and can recharge 80% of its battery in just 15 minutes, making it ideal for short-distance dense urban drivers. Tests also confirmed 2,000 to 3,000 charge cycles with a life expectancy of 390,000 miles on average. These are remarkable numbers for an electric car that only costs $6,800. The dream of affordable electric cars will finally become a reality as battery costs are cut by up to 40% through mass production. With its most popular models, BYD, however, is most likely to be the first business to introduce electric vehicles powered by sodium-ion batteries. With a projected global sales volume of over 1.8 million rechargeable vehicles in 2022, BYD, also the industry's fastest-growing company, has already begun testing the materials for sodium-ion batteries. If successful, the company will conduct A and B samples in Q1 2023, with preliminary results anticipated in June. The sodium-ion batteries, which will initially be utilized in the BYD Seagull, will start to be mass-produced by BYD in Q2 2023. A smaller version of the Dolphin model that is ideal for short travels within the city, battery options for the runabout include lithium-ion and sodium-ion batteries. The lithium version is anticipated to cost roughly $11,600. According to reports, experts believe that the BYD Seagull EV might become a very successful product both domestically and abroad. Within 6 months of its release, Bill Russo, CEO of the strategy consulting company Auto Mobility, predicts that the Seagull EV will top the sales charts in China. BYD Auto stated in June 2022 that it has surpassed Tesla to become the world's largest EV manufacturer, having sold roughly 641,000 EVs in the first half of 2022. It was the first automaker in the world to sell 1 million NEVs in 2022. The term NEV is used in China to refer to the majority of electric vehicles. With a global market share of 9.1% for plug-in electric vehicles, BEV and PHEV, and 7% for BEVs as of 2021, BYD was the fourth largest BEV firm in the world. The company's sales have primarily been based in mainland China, but it is rapidly expanding into the worldwide market, with sales expected to reach over 100,000 per month in March 2022. As sodium-ion technology develops, they intend to use it in shorter-range variants as well. It has long-term collaborations with automakers like Tesla and has already started making sodium-ion batteries in large quantities. Excellent chance for widespread industry adoption and to establish a benchmark for cost-effective, safe, and reliable electric vehicles. To learn how Tesla intends to win the race for inexpensive and accessible electric vehicles, click the other video. And if you like this informative video and want to keep up with technological developments, be sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified. Until next time.